Have you ever wondered what secrets are hidden on the roofs of historic homes? Well, wonder no more. Introducing the latest technology in home inspections, the aerial drone. With its high-definition camera, this amazing tool allows us to take a close look at the roofs and chimneys of historic homes, uncovering hidden secrets that would otherwise go unnoticed. Imagine being able to inspect a roof without even climbing a ladder. The drone hovers above the house, capturing every detail of the roof and chimney, providing a clear and precise picture of any damage or maintenance needs. No more risky, dangerous climbs or expensive scaffolding. The drone's camera produces stunning images that can be reviewed from the comfort and safety of the ground. From loose shingles and cracked tiles to deteriorating chimneys, the drone reveals it all. Its maneuverability allows it to access hard-to-reach areas that would otherwise require professional climbers or costly equipment. By detecting these issues early on, homeowners can save time, money, and prevent further damage. So, whether you own a historic home or simply want to ensure your roof is in top condition, the aerial drone inspection is the way to go. So, next time you drive by that beautiful old house, remember that there may be hidden secrets on its roof waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this.